Laos is a country with a rich cultural heritage and diverse natural landscapes, making it an attractive destination for travelers seeking an authentic and off-the-beaten-path experience. Here are some of the top tourist places to visit in Laos. Vientiane. The capital city of Laos, Vientiane, offers a mix of historical landmarks, cultural sites, and modern attractions. Highlights include Pha That Luang, Paddock Sai, Wat Si Saket, and the Buddha Park. Vientiane has a relaxed atmosphere, making it enjoyable for leisurely exploration. Si Phan Don. Si Phan Don is known as the 4,000 Islands, is a picturesque archipelago located in southern Laos, near the border with Cambodia. It is a popular destination for travelers seeking a tranquil and laid-back atmosphere amid beautiful natural surroundings. Wat Phu. Wat Phu, also spelled as Vat Phu, is an ancient Khmer temple complex located in Champasak province in southern Laos. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the most important archaeological sites in the region. The temple complex is situated at the base of Mount Phu Khao and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Quang Si Waterfall. Quang Si Waterfall is one of the most famous and stunning natural attractions in Laos, located approximately 29 kilometers south of Luang Prabang. It is a multi-tiered waterfall surrounded by lush greenery and turquoise-colored pools. Luang Prabang. Luang Prabang is a charming and historic city located in northern Laos, at the confluence of the Mekong and Nam Kong rivers. It is one of the most well-preserved and culturally significant cities in Southeast Asia, and its entire Old Town area has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I appreciate your patience and will work hard to bring you more exciting and valuable content in the future. Let me know what you think of my channel by subscribing and leaving a comment. Next video will be up soon.